Oh yeah, new TBparts haul. Check it out. Let's go. Let's open it up. Check it out. What we got for y'all today. You're gonna want to see this. Got the old trusty Texas Roadhouse knife, you know. Oh yeah. Get it open. Alrighty. Oh, packing peanuts. You taste like crap. You guys just did me dirty, didn't you? It's gonna be such a mess. Look at this little baby bugs. It's so cute. It's so cute. Try to open it quick for y'all. Look at these beauties. These are them Z50 wheels, though, in black. Oh my goodness, look at those. Those are gonna be sick. It's half and half. You gotta bolt them together and then it becomes a wheel. Check that out. Let's go. Don't forget to go to TBparts for all of your pit bike and Z50 needs. They have a little bit of everything for us. I just stabbed myself. There's a carburetor hiding here too. Ooh, check that out. Let's go. See, they got everything you need, baby. Everything you need. And then we got the other wheel right here. Good to go. Hit them up. Anything you need. They got Groms, Kawasaki, Honda, like the little 110s. They got a little bit of everything that you need. Get on there and go get you some parts.